The most recommended tips for new affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra money from home. In fact, successful sites can bring in huge profits simply through driving traffic towards affiliate ads. If you are interested, then you should follow these simple tips in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. To make your internet marketing efforts more effective, avoid the hard sell. Make sure that every visitor to your website can find information and services to satisfy them without forcing them to pay. Web surfers are less tolerant to high-pressure sales tactics than any other potential customers. Giving them a little without asking for anything in return will build trust and positive impressions. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the readers suspect something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, you need to make sure you are very open about your activities with advertising. People do not mind supporting blogs and forums that they enjoy or find useful, but they also want to feel they can trust the person running it. Your affiliate website should complement the products your retailer offers through your links. Positive feedback, additional descriptions, personal recommendations encourage visitors to click on the merchant's links and buy the products you promoted, which generates income and provides compensation for your work. Help your visitors to make the decision to buy your retailer's products. Be sure to go to a site like Amazon.com and view items there that may be similar to the product that you are trying to sell. You can leave comments and include your own URL in your comments. That may be a way for you to take some business away from your competition. As mentioned earlier in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money, and can become a very important source of income. However, you need to put in the effort to create quality content in order to be successful, and to make sure your site is attractive to your readers. Although you need to put in hard work, if successful, the reward will definitely be worthwhile. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.